Star 2 is a solid rocket motor and a better version of Star 1. It uses the same fuel and oxidizer as Star 1. Star 1's external body is made of polymer, but Star 2 external body is made of a metal. Star 1 is not reusable because the polymer contracts or collapses after the burn, whereas Star 2 is reusable due to its high yield strength. Star 2 had a specialized inbuilt converging diverging nozzle compared to Star 1. The same testing method of Star 1 was used to test Star 2. The thrust of Star 2 was huge, from which the test didn't go as expected. At the start, it jumped off from the testing module due to huge thrust. The engine burnt on the land for a while. Then it drifted nearly 70 degrees and finally it flew away and crashed into a rock. Our team had sealed the front end of the engine, but when the engine crashed into the rock, the seal got opened. So the burn time and other necessary information could not be calculated.